This is the all-new Insta360 X6. Today we're going to see what's in the box and if this thing is actually worth it. So I did buy this from B&H, planning to return it, but enough people click the link. That'd be amazing. And Insta360 is supposed to send me one so I can have more long-term testing. I love the 360 camera for running, for biking, and for travel adventures, hiking, so I plan to use this. 360 cameras are amazing. But this is what comes in the box. We got the nice stickies. Ooh, microphone cover. Yeah, more lens covers. So the X4 Air, the X5, and now the X6 all have replaceable lenses, so you can replace the lenses if you damage it, but you do want to use the cover on it. The microphone's supposed to be better at wind noise reduction. Inside the box, I'm like, I can't put this down now that I took the tape off. I'm like, I need the cover. Where's the cover? So we're gonna one-handed, think bold. It does 8K50, so higher resolution. Flow state stabilization, horizon lock. It's got a new 1/1.1 inch sensor, and the AI chip is 4 nanometers instead of 5, and it's supposed to be faster, more efficient. It's a much smaller design. Your replaceable lenses are 2.0, and there's 140 minutes of 8K30, which the previous one was 96 minutes, so you get about 45 more minutes. The pouch is in here. Does it not come with the hard cover? Damn, I love the little hard cover thing. Maybe it doesn't come in this version. It just makes it easier to use. We've got our cleaning cloth, USB-C cable, and I guess this is the cover that we get with it. I love the smaller one that only goes over the lenses. So that way I can still use it. We'll just do this for now. We're gonna boot it up. Well, really, out of curiosity, how does it compare to the Insta360 X4 Air? You can see the size difference there. It's definitely shorter. It's a little bit wider. It's definitely a few grams lighter than the X5 as well. The screen is a bit smaller too on this one versus the X5. And then it says X6 on the back. The X5 is just a tad bit bigger than the X4 Air. See, this is the kind of cover I wanted. But now all these bad boys have replaceable lenses. There are no buttons, as you can see here. It's all haptic feedback. Let's make sure we don't put it in a different language. And then we also have this on the bottom, the magnetic. You see those silver ports? Those are for charging. There's a new X6 handle where you can plug it in to the X6 specifically, and only the X6, and it charges with these silver pins on the bottom. So that's pretty neat. We just got the quick attachment as well as a 1/4 inch. So all the benefits we need. LED on the bottom, that's new. Whereas the other ones just have an LED kind of on the front. I guess this is like the bottom slash front. So you can see it from here and from here in any direction. That's really cool. I guess the next closest thing would be a DJI Osmo 360. Definitely feels like it's getting closer to the height of that form factor, but the Osmo 360 is way wider. And the screen, I guess, is still bigger on the Insta360 X6. Okay, what about the GoPro Max 2? So that one has more of a Osmo 360 size as well. I don't love this like 2-thing lens covers. You could lose that. Heat dissipation. This should not overheat too, which is nice, even though it's smaller. Yeah, screen I think is still bigger. I guess this one does not come with the little lens covers, which is not ideal. But I'm gonna go ahead and test this bad boy out with biking around in New York City. I love that it has a longer battery life because then you can just record your bikes and not have to worry about it. Running is smaller, it's easier to carry, so we can get some cool like shots of me running where I don't have to bring a drone or give someone else my camera. That's a big win, and things I really like to use for Instagram and YouTube. And then travel, like going with family to vlogs and capturing stuff. And then it has a new auto edit AI feature, which I want to test out, where you just plug it in, it starts to edit the best moments for you. So lots of cool things to test out. Seems like a very interesting camera. Very expensive though, but a lot of value. Questions down below, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next one. Peace.